How to use Bonus in Zebpay. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to use bonus in Zebpay. Using a bonus in Zebpay typically involves applying the bonus funds to your cryptocurrency trades or transactions. Here is how you can do it. First thing, you know the drill, gonna log in into your account. When you're logged in, you could check your balance, so you have to navigate to the wallet or fund section to check your available bonus balance. You could do this by going to your portfolio section or by tapping on the toolbar icon from the top right, and bonuses are often listed separately from your regular account balance. Then, to understand the bonus terms and conditions, you can review the terms and conditions associated with the bonus. This will help you understand any restrictions to requirements such as minimum trade amount or eligible cryptocurrencies. After that, you could go to the trading section to buy or sell the cryptocurrencies. Select the currency or the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. And during the transaction process, there should be an option to apply your bonus balance. Select the option to use the bonus for a trade, and this might be a checkbox or a drop-down menu depending on the interface. Then you could enter the trade amount and confirm the transaction. Then the bonus will be applied to your transaction, reducing the amount of your own funds needed. After that, you can review the transaction and then you've successfully used the bonus. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.